Dair's 160-year history continues today with a unique industrial model that brings together the manufacturing of aircraft and aerostructures, industrial services, and logistics. Dair has created 3 innovation centers, Shape-in, Fly-in, and Log-in, for the more sustainable and eco-responsible aeronautics of tomorrow. Their mission is to imagine and conceive lighter and more efficient aerostructures for aircraft that consume less, while also developing logistical solutions that are best suited to the challenges of decarbonization. Every day, the women and men of Dair boldly support innovation to meet the industry's challenges and actively prepare for a more responsible future.